For millennia, we as humans have looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone? Are there others out there on distant worlds, gazing back at us with the same sense of awe and wonder? But what if I told you that in the 21st century, we stand at the precipice of answering this question? That we have, in fact, discovered worlds beyond our solar system, planets that could very well harbor life as we know it. Planets that could perhaps one day become our new home. In this vast cosmic ocean, teeming with billions upon billions of stars and even more planets, we've only just begun to dip our toes. But the discoveries we've already made are nothing short of astonishing. Join me now, as we journey to these distant worlds, planets that hold the potential for life, planets that may one day answer our age-old question, are we alone? Our first stop brings us to Proxima Centauri b, a planet that holds the distinction of being our closest known exoplanetary neighbor. Proxima Centauri b orbits a red dwarf star known as Proxima Centauri, and this star system is a mere 4.24 light-years away from our own. Now I know what you're thinking, 4.24 light-years? That doesn't sound very close. But consider this, a light-year is the distance light travels in a year, traveling at a staggering speed of 186,000 miles per second. To put that into perspective, if we could somehow hitch a ride on a beam of light, we'd reach Proxima Centauri b in just over 4 years. 4 years to reach another potentially habitable planet. Of course, traveling at the speed of light is still a distant dream, the stuff of science fiction, but the very fact that a potentially habitable planet exists so close to us, cosmically speaking, is a testament to the sheer abundance of planets in our galaxy. Proxima Centauri b is a rocky world, slightly larger than our own Earth. It resides within the habitable zone of its star, which means that temperatures could be just right for liquid water to exist on its surface. And where there's liquid water, as we know, there's the potential for life. Imagine for a moment that we could send a probe to Proxima Centauri b. Imagine the images it could beam back to us, alien landscapes, perhaps even signs of extraterrestrial life. So, while Proxima Centauri b remains a mystery, it serves as a powerful reminder that we are not alone in the universe. Our next destination takes us further afield, to a star system known as TRAPPIST-1, located some 40 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius. TRAPPIST-1 itself is an ultra-cool red dwarf star, significantly smaller and cooler than our own sun. But what makes this star system so intriguing is not the star itself, but rather the planetary system it harbors. Orbiting TRAPPIST-1 are no fewer than 7 Earth-sized planets, each one a world unto itself, each one a potential haven for life. And among these 7, TRAPPIST-1e stands out as a particularly promising candidate. Picture this, a planet bathed in the warm glow of its parent star, its surface adorned with vast oceans that shimmer like 1,000 jewels. This, my friends, is TRAPPIST-1e, a planet so similar in size and mass to Earth that it has earned the moniker Earth's twin. But TRAPPIST-1e is more than just a cosmic doppelganger. It resides within the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures are thought to be just right for liquid water to exist on its surface. And where there's liquid water, as we've already established, there's the potential for life. Imagine, for instance, a planet with a perpetual day side and a perpetual night side. The day side could be home to vast oceans teeming with life, while the night side could be a frozen wasteland. The possibilities, as they say, are endless. Our cosmic journey now leads us to another intriguing member of the TRAPPIST-1 system, TRAPPIST-1f. This planet, like its sibling TRAPPIST-1e, is remarkably similar in size and mass to our own Earth, but TRAPPIST-1f orbits slightly further out from its star, placing it on the outer edge of the habitable zone. Now you might think that being on the outer edge of the habitable zone would make TRAPPIST-1f a less hospitable place for life. But consider this. Earth itself has experienced periods of extreme cold and extreme heat throughout its history, yet life has persisted. So, even though TRAPPIST-1f receives less energy from its star than Earth does from the sun, it's entirely possible that this planet could still support life. Imagine, for instance, a world covered in ice with a vast subterranean ocean hidden beneath its frozen surface. Such an ocean could be heated by geothermal activity, providing a potential haven for life to evolve and thrive. Or perhaps, TRAPPIST-1f has a thick atmosphere that traps heat, creating a more temperate climate despite its distance from its star. The possibilities are tantalizing, and its discovery has only served to deepen our fascination with the search for life beyond Earth. Our exploration of the TRAPPIST-1 system continues, and this time we set our sights on TRAPPIST-1g, a planet that has captured the attention of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. TRAPPIST-1b is slightly larger than Earth, and it orbits its star at a distance that places it within the habitable zone, that sweet spot where temperatures could allow for liquid water to exist on its surface. But what makes TRAPPIST-1b particularly intriguing is its potential to harbor a vast, planet-wide ocean. Based on its density and size, scientists believe that TRAPPIST-1b could be a water world, with a global ocean covering its entire surface. Imagine, if you will, a planet where the land as we know it simply doesn't exist. A planet where the horizon stretches endlessly in all directions, meeting nothing but the boundless expanse of a shimmering alien sea. Life on a water world like TRAPPIST-1b would face unique challenges, such as the lack of land-based ecosystems and the potential for extreme pressure in the depths of its global ocean. But life, as we've learned time and time again, is incredibly resilient and adaptable. So who's to say that life couldn't also find a way to flourish in the depths of a planet-wide ocean? Imagine, for instance, creatures that have evolved to withstand the immense pressure of TRAPPIST-1b's deep ocean, perhaps bioluminescent organisms that light up the abyss with their ethereal glow. The possibilities are truly endless, and while we have yet to find definitive proof of life on TRAPPIST-1b, its potential to harbor a vast, hidden biosphere is a tantalizing thought that fuels our insatiable desire to explore the cosmos. Our final destination takes us to a distant star system located over 1,200 light-years away in the constellation Lyra. Here, orbiting a star slightly cooler and less massive than our own sun, we find Kepler-442b, a planet that has earned the distinction of being one of the most Earth-like planets ever discovered. When we talk about Earth-like planets, we're not just talking about size and mass, although Kepler-442b is remarkably similar to Earth in both those regards. What makes Kepler-442b truly stand out is its location within the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures are thought to be just right for liquid water to exist on its surface. But Kepler-442b's potential habitability doesn't end there. This planet is also thought to receive a similar amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun, which means that it could have a similar climate to our own planet. Imagine, if you will, a world with temperate forests, sparkling oceans, and perhaps even continents teeming with life. The discovery of Kepler-442b, and other Earth-like planets like it, serves as a powerful reminder that we are not alone in the universe. It tells us that planets like our own, planets that could potentially support life, are not just a cosmic anomaly, but rather a common occurrence in the vast expanse of the cosmos. And while we may never set foot on Kepler-442b, its discovery has ignited our imaginations and fueled our desire to explore the cosmos in search of other life-bearing worlds. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos, we're left with a profound sense of wonder and a thirst for exploration that burns brighter than ever before. The universe, as we've seen, is teeming with planets, many of which could harbor the conditions necessary for life. While Earth will always hold a special place in our hearts as our birthplace, it's clear that our destiny lies among the stars. The search for life beyond Earth is a testament to our insatiable curiosity, our desire to understand our place in the cosmos, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. So let us continue to explore, to dream, and to reach for the stars. For the universe is vast, and its secrets are waiting to be unveiled. The universe is huge, and Earth won't be our only home forever. Are we ready to explore the unknown? Like if you'd moved to another planet. Comment, which one fascinates you the most? Subscribe for more mind-blowing space discoveries.